Where the money, where my balance from our deal, where you supposed to run me.
Don't touch me again.
Make I not touch you again. I dey touch you. You know say you know say your mind dey back. Your mind like this, dey for back.
I know what to tell you this. See, for where you there, my omo is almost for you. I never see where person wey employ person go dey open eye for am. Like you dey open eye for your boss for percentage. I never see this disrespect where you dey get, e go land you for where you no know.
You see now all these things wey you dey do make you no grow. You and person get deal. They pay you the money, you collect and tell me say they never pay. They tell me say they never pay.
Respect.
I don't get respect.
Don't have respect.
Oh, yeah, come on back. Give me.
I don't get talk.
Give me my money.
What?
No, give me my money.
What do you want to?
Come on, give me my money. You dey say what?
What do you want to?
Give me my money. I go to away you. I go use you to do
What do you
that.
want to? Let me want to.
Give me my money.
Me will employ you. They carry me. Me will employ you. Jesus.
If I do that, you don't see no reach. Give me my money.
Hold on.
Come on, give me my money.
Never carry you by hold on.
Give me my money. Me and you do this finish. You get my chop me. Give me my money.
Waiting be the
I dey
solution.
come.
Who can solve this problem?
Okay, run. Okay. Say you go pass for this gate. You go sharp pass for this gate, Abi. Even if we no go pass here,
She's the one
until they pay me my money.
Igwe ade. Igwe. Obonienu Ojade. Igwe. I am offering you a drink. My friend called this one Scottish. See, Igwe, you are supposed to even be the one to bring drink for me, but because of the love I have for you and my attention here, I brought my own. Kind of one merriment. Igwe, let me pause. I will open this drink. And then one of this drink, don't look down on this drink. This is Nkenkenyi. And then with Obanyoko. I will open this drink on our wedding day. The day I will marry your daughter, your princess, my princess. I will bring my own drink and you will bring your own drink. We will do collab as in-laws. I am here to marry your daughter. Your daughter has been doing Hallelujah challenge because of me, and I'm here. I know. Where is she? If she come down here and see me, she will start dancing immediately.
What makes you think that I will give my own daughter to you?
So many things. Even so many things made me think that you will give your daughter hand, the leg, even all the body hand in marriage to me. If we look at who is talking to you, look at your uncle. Look at me. Sorry, then if I be land, I will be in the site. In the village square. God just created me very well. I've not even talked about my down below. If I talk about my down below, how God just designed that side, you will not even give me only your daughter. You will give me the crown. And say, nah, come and be the king of this community. But I'm not going that side.
No, leave here. Leave immediately.
I know you are the king of this community. You know all the rules and regulations. You cannot ask your ogre to live here. I am your last hope. Or do you want to be ogoless? Even this your daughter, if you give me your daughter, see, I have a lot of work to do. Because I know as a princess, you overpamper her. I'm talking about my down below. I've not even considered her own side. Because I know I have a lot of job to do. Bush everywhere. You will consider me.
God!
You want to give me bodyguard?
Your Majesty.
Majesty. Take him away from here.
Right away, Your Majesty.
Move it. Come on. He will see my drink. See my Scottish drink.
God!
Bring him back.
Igwe, consider me.
Let him have his drink.
Pick up your drink.
Igwe, no problem. I will take my drink. When you decide to change your mind, you will come and ask for my groom price. You will come with 10 bottles of Shinab and 20 cows. Cowries. You will be begging me, and I will get my village people to take Igwe out of this. Straight to Umunya Johnson.
Your Majesty, my Lord, my Queen, Your Majesty, the only Lord that relates my heart and the universe. I greet you, ma. I greet you with so much respect and dignity and small touch of hunger. I greet you, ma.
Hunger?
Yes, ma.
Is food not ready?
You're not ready anything, no. You're never ready.
Why? By this time?
My Queen, if you ask me, what I ask? Now the chefs where you employ, they go market late. So unfortunately for us, we're going to starve for a while. The accountants give money, so the thing is really affecting. Like,
how about the good food?
That one already. They know they use that one plain now. It's already take. They even do that one like say price day inside. Fast. I want finish it. Now our own.
Tell one of the other maid, tell her we'll be going out very soon, and inform the chief guard too.
Chief guard don't resign. I don't say no.
When? Who did that?
2 days before I come back from that American this one, I go check up. He resign. He say the corner for village saying Papa don't old according to our mom. But me, I don't say I'm marriage trick with that thing.
You shut up.
I'm just trying to like give you the brief history about the information. I know that he's old. Even his beard is too whitish that dye cannot cover again. So maybe that calling him to village to come and marry. I'm just passing information as genuine person that I am.
Genuine person that you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
No wonder I didn't see him at the airport when the insurance came to pick us.
It's not a small thing, no. It's not a small thing. Before you know it now, I'm gonna go down marry. Go give him my belly. Sorry. Sorry, ma'am.
Speaker. Information minister.
Sorry.
Scouts for another one as quickly as possible. We need a chief guard in this palace.
Scouts. Are we doing Boy Scouts? Scout is a term. Clock it. Scout is a term used for football. You don't use scout for chief guard. Sorry, ma.
So what should I use?
You say, get me or find a new chief guard for me.
We will find a new chief guard for us in this palace.
Alright, ma.
Teacher one. Can you
Clock
ma?
it.
Clock it.
Yes, ma.
Teacher clock it.
Thank you, ma.
Teacher one. We John.
Okay, madam, can go to scout and ma. I will see you for us.
You just said, I thought you said it's for people.
No, yes, it's look. Let me go. I'll be looking for you.
Nothing me like this. Now you dey teach me my work. Go on kill you. Carry blood they go there. You tell me like this. That guy with the bring sand, I never see him. No if I kill down, will be wait for me. Palace mate. Palace mate. Clear road for Palace mate. Wow. I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay here.
I got your house, fine. You say you there, yo.
Na here I did, na here.
You dey suffer.
Come on for there, see palace.
I will be this one.
Come do work, oh.
You
Who be
dey
this
suffer.
one?
We're gonna go pay you money.
Come on for there, make you know you sound. Wetin dey happen now?
I dey una dey suffer too much. Hey, yeah.
Wetin we go do now?
Chai.
This how we remember me. Wetin happen?
I'm a walk though.
You know say since you don dey work for palace now, they no dey see eye again.
Why go see me? You know that set of
If I go come, I go tell guys, you know the work.
Calm down.
why I go sit down? Una no get where I go sit down.
That you dey take talk small. You sit down for here, you go manage you.
This one a place, the one to the suffer.
Wetin person go do now? Na here we dey hustle daily bread
Now
doings.
make I see my account today. Now my account come out from suffer.
Make you come comot me from
I
suffer.
remember you today. I say make I come out from suffer. Make I come out from poverty, put you for another place. All this sound. Hola. Now that's your destiny. Hold on tight. Don't let it go. As I remember you today, my spirit say, go ahead, that young man. Go ahead, him. I come.
But which one be say my whole sand make you no poor?
That's your destiny now.
Sand
If
be my
you-
destiny.
If you poor, sorry for you. Like I was saying, as the spirit tell me that thing, I quickly go. I think. Wait, how I feel help you. I say okay. I can't sack my gate man.
You sack gate man.
I sack gate man. I tell am make he go. Say my spirit they tell me something. Say I want to comot somebody from poverty. Now I sack am. I come here now. I want to call you. Make you come replace my gate man.
You know say you sabi surprise person.
Don't let your destiny poor. If you poor, I don't see you again. No.
Now I close my hand, can't touch you.
Okay.
But wait, this thing where you talk, you mean am?
Yes, now. I mean, I'm well. I said
Make I
because
be
of
chief
you.
security for gate man
Yes.
for palace.
Yes. Because of you, now I sack my gate man.
Ha!
Yes, na
Hey,
me be the chief maid. Now me get authority. Now make
Na-
a sack am.
you want make I be chief security?
Not chief security, gate man.
Chief security na chief security I want the
Na
answer.
gate man.
If I go work for them, na chief security oh. I go dey work for Igwe like this.
You dictate for your destiny helper. You have not started working there, so you don't have any right to tell me what you want to be. If you want your destiny helper to help you, you have to mellow to the ground. Pata. So you are going there as a gate man, not chief security.
No wahala, as they go as gate man, no problem. But wait oh, this thing na scope oh. Na better format to enter Igwe be this. To enter royal house. You know say as Igwe dey like that now, we no get male pikin. I fit go the Igwe go like me. Na me go come be the prince. The upper tiers to the
You can't do overall of me.
no be me and you go win together. He say you go do overall of me.
You can't pass me for the rank now. You know they do again.
Okay,
I don't want to help you.
no vex.
That's why destiny helper
No
always
vex, I
block
still
their
dey hold the
ears.
sand for hand.
No,
now.
that's why destiny. You go be like say God no dey push their prayer go miss destiny helper. Destiny helper dey hear prayer so now because of greediness make dem no dey gree help their people.
Okay, no wahala. I just dey talk say from from Bible. You get person wey be gate man wey dey take care of cattle.
Me
From
wey
that
be
cattle,
chief
God elevate am.
want
You know
that
if
kind
e no fit
prayer.
happen.
No, you must from me grow.
Me and your destiny no be the same. You
No.
dey destined to be palace maid for life.
If you want, make I continue to help you. You have to pray that prayer to me. Make I become the princess, then I will not elevate you. Not the pray. You must grow through me. Nothing you want tell me. Oh yeah, let's go to
You
the
go
house.
become
To
princess.
pack things. Yes, now.
With this your shoe wey be say if you match go do quick.
You better go your house so you pack your clothes. Where we go?
Wait, na today?
That's today now.
If I pack my bag now, we go
You
palace.
don't know who they stand there to talk to you. Not chief maid. I'm giving you your authority. Go and bring your clothes. Let's go. Remove this stuff. Look dumb. Where?
My brother! Abeg continue with the work. My destiny helper don come carry me. My destiny helper don come carry me. They ask you go dey go. Oga, work something. Me and your destiny no be the same. Like this now.
Chop your
Where's
money.
your destiny?
She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Lady, Double Wala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Lady.
I stand?
Ugonna, sit down.
I will not sit down.
Sit down.
Who are you? Sit down. Who are you? Sit. Okra. Sit down. Who are you? Sit down.
Me.
What is happening?
Me.
I'm coming to sit down. Sit down.
I cannot.
Sit down.
I'll break your head.
Do you want this? Those oh no! No!
Please let us sit down. We are not sitting down. Oh no, we are not sitting down.
We are not sitting down. Yes. Okay, Frog. Take your time.
Please can we sit down? Let us sit. Your Majesty, I'm very sorry about that. My elders, please can we stop behaving like children each time this matter is brought up? Please.
And you, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you telling us to calm down? No. Eh? Are you trying to insult us?
Are you asking him? He just insulted us now. He insulted us already.
Please, I have not insulted anyone. I'm just trying to say...
Say what, Ono? Say what? What is wrong in what I have stated out? Is that one not important also?
Very, very important. Very, very important.
Both of you should calm down and allow him to talk. Stop being disrespectful.
Huh? Who is saying? You? Pretender? I can never be like you. Mmiru abo. Let me tell you, if you like, when you see the truth, you say it. If you like, when you see it, don't say it. But I can never be like you. Pretender. Like this.
Azuka.
You know, Najuaka.
Azuka, are you insulting me?
Insulting you? Do you still remain? If for us, no lock up. Okay. No, come. Let me beat you like
Azuka,
like a child.
I'm warning you. Don't let me struggle you. Do you understand? I'm warning you, Azuka.
With this hand, my friend.
Azuka.
Issue Ugonna, rest for once. Call a spade a spade. Please, do you realize you are in the presence of the journalist? Huh? Why are you shouting?
Enough, elders. I'm totally disappointed that you all are behaving like children. There are so many important issues we should be arguing over. Not baseless issues like this. We all know that our school building is falling apart. And our market stalls. We claim to have hospital, and yet we do not have the essential equipment in our hospitals. Our people go to the neighboring village for treatment because we have not taken time to look into the welfare of our people. Isn't that enough for us to be quarreling and fighting over?
Your Majesty, I have been to his office on several occasions, but I've always met his absence, though I'm working on it.
Your Majesty, can you see? It's now obvious that the person you sent on a particular assignment is incompetent of it. He can't do it. Don't mind his face.
Okorafor, it is obvious. Ever since this assignment was given to me, it has been killing you. And it will kill you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your Majesty, can you hear him? My people, can you hear him? If anything happens to me, if anything happens to any member of my family, we will hold you responsible.
You will die.
You are the one that will die.
You are the one.
What do you mean you sent the money? When? I have not received an alert, any alert on my phone in some days now. And you know I need this money to buy stuff ASAP. Why would I want to lie to you? Why? Have I ever lied to you before? Or do you want me to send you my bank transactions now? I even had to open an account because of this thing and I sent it to you. So what are you saying? Please tell your manager to send the receipt to my phone now. And be fast about it. I don't have time to waste. Nonsense. Insulting me because of peanuts. Rubbish.
Where this Paul even? That is not supposed to. Anyway, look at that.
Listen, are you mad? A whole chief mate like me will be knocking in this palace and you will not open door for me. Are you mad? Are you listening out there?
Where you waka go, Sef? No Lord, they find you since.
She dey find me.
Solo? Soliso?
You know You know
Somehow, it be like person who I know.
For this palace where you don't enter like this, I don't want embarrassment. You hear me? I don't want make you disgrace me. In fact, I don't know you, you don't know me. You hear me?
This is where we never come, you don't they want me. What's happen now?
I just want me, you know, me no carry those nonsense attitudes come this house. This is not house. This is palace. Another one I want to remind you again. Listen to me, be the chief maid. Anything you want to talk for this place. That's why it be. Nobody please stand against my authority.
Now they say, seeing is believing. I see everything.
So,
I don't know you. I never even see you before.
Better. Let's go.
I follow you.
I don't repeat myself, please. Let's go. Mama bless my thing. I go inside, go find it. They say you downstairs because the same thing they find it too.
Yes, I was looking for you to help me do something.
Okay.
Who is he?
You mean Jambu? This one? Jambu!
Hey.
Jambu, what is that supposed to do?
Stand up now.
My queen, I don't fit stand. I don't fit stand.
Young man, stand up and talk to me.
I go turn to salt too.
What did he say?
No, my queen, they know they look you for face, so you want make I turn to salt?
Jama, you can leave. Hey, come back!
I think say make we leave.
I'm not asking to leave.
Okay, now me I have one follow leave.
Okay. I had her call you Jumbo. Is that your name?
Yes, sir. Now my name is that. My name is Jumbo. My son, I send you to school. You don't know how to spell your name, but I don't go to school.
Okay. I hope she has briefed you about the job.
No.
I hope she has told you about the job.
Say?
I hope she has told you about the job.
Oh, okay, yes. She don't tell me. Okay, now him be brief. She don't tell me everything was. She don't tell me. She said, "Na forget I go dey dey." She don't tell me.
How clumsy you? I hope you'll be able to do this job.
You don't dey whine me, oh. If they look me, Jumbo say if I go fit do the job. Make arm robber cross. Make the arm robber just knock for gate. If I no kill am, bury am for that gate. No say no be me.
I didn't ask you to kill anybody.
No, just use and try me first. Make arm robber just pass. Make you no even knock for gate. If I say arm robber like this cross gate, I don't know, and I go kill am.
But are you sure you'll be able to do the job?
Oh. I dey vex as they ask me this thing. I dey vex as they ask me if I go fit do the job. I go fit do am. I go do am put jara. Let me talk am. I don't tell you for back. Make you go tell person.
No problem. You can go to the gate. You'll be attended to very soon.
You can go to the gate attended to. That means say you don't give me the job like this.
Of course.
Just tell me what I go do for you. I want mad for you. Just tell me what I want do for you now. Make I jump inside you for that. No, make I jump inside you. Make I show you. Say I fit do and undo for you. Make I dey go like this. No. This is the first time I dey see. I dey look way for eyeball to eyeball like this. May I go for gate?
My
Hi,
princess, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. I came to your room earlier, but I was told you're in a meeting.
Yes, I was in a meeting.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine.
This is not how you look when you're fine, Daddy. So tell me, what is the problem?
You're right. I'm worried about two things. The project proposal I submitted had not been attended to. And as you can see, the rains are coming. So I'm mostly worried about the children going to school and the market women going to the market. The ordeal is really hitting me hard.
Dad, I just think you should calm down, okay? You've been so worked up about all of this. I believe everything will be handled soon. Okay? But I hope that's the only thing worrying you.
That's about it. The problem. What else? Nothing else.
Promise.
Sure.
That's fine. That's fine, our caring king.
He's okay. Enough of me and my people.
Okay.
So let's talk about the princess of the land. What is my princess cooking again?
You know, the usual. I'm writing a poem.
That's interesting.
Yes.
So what's the storyline about?
Love, heartbreak, life generally. That is just literally anything that comes to my head.
Wow, that'll be interesting.
And I'm almost done.
I'd like to read the piece when you're done.
Really?
Of course.
That is not boring.
No, just do not make it boring. Throw in some suspense. You know, use the humor angle. And I'm sure it's going to be beautiful.
Okay. Okay, Daddy.
And make sure you make the people your judge.
Yes. Starting with you. Because I'm almost done. See?
Ooh. Beautiful.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Come in. Come in.
My queen to be. Welcome, ma. My queen. My only queen. Next in line.
You've started again with this my queen talk. What is it?
What's the... I think I talked about this. The... Oya, who will be the next in line after queen? After Lolo? Isn't not you? You're the next queen now, so you're my queen. I didn't want to call you.
I give up. You're right.
Thank God. So, have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
Why not? These people mad. What's this nonsense attitude now? What's this water behavior? By this time,
Can you calm down?
it's not making sense, my queen.
My soldier, can you calm down?
Ha!
It is my fault. I told them I'm not hungry yet.
Okay, you don't want chop yet?
No.
Why now? You need to eat.
I had tea and the tea is enough. And besides, I'm on a weight loss journey, so I'm fine.
Yeah, which John?
Weight loss, like I'm watching what I eat and when I have them.
What do you think you are watching? You don't need to watch anything. You are not even fat. What do you want to watch? You want to watch rice or salad or veggies or what? Should I pound food for you so that you eat fufu? You don't even need to watch fufu.
Thank you. Anyway, I heard the chief guard resigned. Why?
Yes, so no one don't go. He go village. Maybe he went to.
He was such a nice man.
Yes, true. He go marry. Go marry for village.
How come? Like, how do you know this?
You know that man is too old. He was using dye to confuse us. Dye, everything dye. You know they see that black line where they head is dye. Then he can't get natural eyeglass. It's bleaching cream that gave him that natural eye. It's funny. That guy, you don't know what thing they do to life.
Oh my goodness, this girl.
You know that last time I tell her, say that girl carry belly. Una no believe me. After 3 months, she come out. And I cause say she get belly.
Yes, I commend you on that one. Because you told everyone she was pregnant and no one believed until we started seeing the pregnancy. Well, come. How do you know all of this? Where do you get all this information from?
Is within.
Okay, within.
Is something
in you.
Yes, kinda.
Wow, kinda.
Yeah.
I like that.
Like it is to come and go. Yes.
But I think yours is just there. It doesn't go.
Oh yes. Right. True.
Okay, that's fine. Let me go back to writing.
Okay. Just be okay for me, yeah?
I am fine.
Any banana you call me, yeah?
No problem.
I clean.
She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady, Double Wala. She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady, Double Wala. She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Lady, Double Wala.
You want where you want go before?
Jumbo na waiting.
Solo?
Why you come dey GK me like this?
Solo? Na me dey speak slangs for why I dey GK you. Solo? Where my money?
Jumbo,
where my money? First of all, where my money? Where my 58,000?
What is this one?
Come on, where my 58,000? You dey mad? This they follow you play.
No loud. See, okay, I promise. Once they pay me salary for this month, I go even top 20k on top that your money give you. Make peace reign.
No wahala, you go first here and first before you go top that money. Solo? Wait. So you wicked though. So now here be the American soldier where you say you dey go be. We contribute money for you for village. Say your uncle wey dey America don't bring visa for you. Say you get connection, make you join American soldier. Say once you reach America, you go come carry all of us, come join you for American soldier, Solo. So now here be the American soldier.
No be say I no go true. I go now then.
Be Igwe guard.
Now then when deport me come back.
Come on, shut up for there. Shut up for there, Abba, you no see. Solo, Abba boss, you no see. Talk less of entering Abba. Eh? So now thief will contribute money for WhatsApp group. You be thief, Solo.
Take am easy. I don't beg you. I will give you that money.
Come on, we'll book you for there. He go give you the money. Eh? Solo? So now so you dey. Even last week when you say you go, they deport you. Say I call you last week. I be I no call you. Tell me say now you and Trump dey now. Now you and Trump dey.
No be lie give you. Now just 2 days ago, then they deport me come.
Okay, now 2 days now.
Yes, now I can't find work for you.
You no go die where? I swear to God, you go die open nyash, Solo.
Jumbo, you never reach like that.
Money where I save, I know how I take save that money. Make I use that black market business. 58,000 I carry and give you. Everybody carry the money where they suffer get. Give you, say they want promote you. Say once you go there, you go come carry all of us.
I go pay you back down.
Now be this Abi? No wahala. I go just go WhatsApp, go tell them say now here I see you. Everybody go come here. First of all, no give me that my money first.
Jumbo, which kind of wahala be this one? I don't beg. I will give you back that money.
You go give me which back money?
Jumbo, you go
see your life. Even for yourself, I get rank pass you.
No wahala. I accept. You get rank pass me.
You say you be there FBI, say American soldier, I be waiting you talk. Now me, the day for gate. If I open gate, Igwe go pass. If I say Igwe no go pass, Igwe no go pass.
You are my superior. I accept.
You see you now. I follow you wear uniform. You tie wrapper.
You wear trouser. You be my superior. I carry go take.
See am now. Now me be FBI. Now you be cutting match. See as life be. You know say we go see. Small world. See you now. American soldier. So now this thing be the American soldier. This thing. Where that construct. They go my office first. Come on!
Jumbo, see you. You gonna
like she's the one and only.
Like, somebody is trying to enter my trap. in this palace. And when that happens, I swear to God, I'm going to be the person she will regret ever walking here in this palace.
Who is it again? Who offended you?
Who else? If not for that church rat that they handed Chief Maiden to.
Oh, Ijoma.
Yes, so.
I thought I'm the only one planning to deal with that girl. That girl, they try me.
She feels because she's in a higher position in this palace. She thinks all of us are mates. That girl disgusts me. Like, the way she carries herself pisses me off. Hey! Look, I'm going to hijack her one day. I'm going to boil her in a pot of soup. Yes. No, it's not a laughing matter. I'm going to do that. And when that happens, don't be surprised.
I'll not be surprised.
Is that one that I will not take? Biko, count me out. Look at me very well. I don't want to spend the rest of my life in jail. Biko Kwanu.
My dear, be ready to go to jail because I'm doing this. I'm so tired of all this child's play. That girl no get sense.
Wait, are you scared of that girl? That little girl? I don't understand you.
Help me ask her.
No. Not that I'm scared of her. No, how can I be scared of that? Okay. I am not scared of her. It's just that I'm an orphan.
Okay.
I don't want to spend the rest of my life in jail. Biko,
I've saved my own.
Yeah. So you mocked this place?
Yes, I did.
You did. You are speaking English. You did. You mocked this place like this. Did you do this thing?
I did.
What exactly? You did. Yes, you did. Yes, I did. No, do I look like I'm playing with you? I don't know. The way you just answered me the question, it's as if you have been planning to fight me. Like, yes, I did. Just straight to the point.
But the floor is clean. What is it?
The floor is clean. Me, I'm blind or I'm lying. Are you not seeing dust? What is this? Did you done this chair? Where exactly?
Yes, I did.
You did again. You did. I don't blame you. I don't know where they brought all these workers inside this palace. You are mesmerizing my brain. You are playing with my brain. I'm not functioning well again with you in this palace. I don't understand. No. All these cobwebs I'm seeing here now, me, I'm daydreaming. Or I'm lying, or I'm blind.
Look, we are not mates. I will not take this nonsense from you. What is it now?
You have to change it for me. As per what? No, you have forgotten this thing here. What is it for? You don't know ranking again. Are you mad? No, are you mad? Say, I don't want any nonsense. You see all this thing, all this challenge, you want to challenge me like this now. I must tell the queen. Lolo must see all this and bet me. They will sack you. You want to bet me.
Look, I am not scared of you. You can say whatever you like. But I know that one day, your cup will run out in this palace and I will have the last laugh.
You will have the last. Before you have that last laugh you are looking for. Until you go and bring bucket, full it, come and mop this place. I will remove all these cobwebs. Idiots and amoeba. You want to laugh last. So that you laugh at me. Go and get something and clean this place. ASAP. I'll stay here and monitor you fast.
She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Maiden. She's the one and only. Ijoma, Chief Maiden. She's the one and only.
Stand wahala be this. If not for my house, I know I go don chop how many times now. Person go dey here, they say they ration food. Which kind of thing be that one? Who dey tell them say even say na garri for run.
What's that?
What is the old that to bring food?
What's the spoon? Now today you resume, not the do that kind of nonsense.
If that's what they do, when I stop am. When food bring to a new person, I will give that person food.
Calm down, don't be talking to me like that. I don't know whether I don't forget saying I'm me be the chief. Let me employ you. I'll be your destiny
Come on,
helper.
the quick best. So carry this food come up for you.
Give me.
Carry and come.
Give me.
Come here.
What's that? What's that?
Make it come out. You really dey come out. You really want
Why
come
no
out.
come out?
Give me something, Jare. You know sabi do something. You don't know say na guy I do based on how I dey dance. Now you supposed to tell me, oh, you're sorry for bringing the food late. That's how they do something. You say me come out.
Pride won't finish you. You don't, you be poor man. Pride still they hold you down. I don't know why I not give you my rules, but no worry. Tomorrow it go be. I'll give you my rules.
No be tomorrow. Bring water out.
Flocks together, birds and feathers. Flocks together, jumpers and the jumper. Yeah, birds of the same feathers. Flocks together. Child, a lot is happening in the palace. But the question is this: what will be the solution? Who can solve this problem? Can't carry it on. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. And Double Wahala, no day end anytime. Ibulun Sobobia, okay, you're walking so good. I'm not tired. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. If you want to trouble, now she be trouble herself. Ijoma, the chief maiden, she not the fear at all. I'm not tired of you. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. Birds of the same feathers, flocks together. A bird of the same feathers. Flocks together, jumpers.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. Yes, Ijoma, is everything alright?
Everything is not alright, ma.
What is it?
Like everywhere is turning upside down in this palace. If care is not taking catch, fire will catch here. Ma, all the people who are employed in this palace, all of them are malfunctioning. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what they drank. I don't know what's going on.
Why?
From sweeping or cleaning or cooking, everything. None of them, they don't sabi anything again. I don't know. The only thing where they sabi is to gossip you and king. Gossip princess. The other day, I see how they gossip saying princess break leg. Say now you cause to make she break leg. Say now when they bring her out for your womb, you don't get straight push. Maybe she break leg. I said, like what kind of stories is flying all over this palace? What's going on? Now the Dorothy almost slapped me up.
What?
You know that I beg my face. This girl for don't blind me.
They said that?
I'm telling you the truth.
But you know what? I don't believe you. Because I don't know them to be behaving like this.
I would have just kept my face so that she would blind me. Maybe that would be enough evidence to prove to you that I'm saying the truth. Ma, do you know that when they started all this thing, that time, that moment, that very day you gave me the chief maid. That is when body started to prepare all of them. All of them started malfunctioning. If I talk, they'll raise voice at me.
It's alright. I will call them to order. I will address it accordingly.
It's not about, no ma, it's not about calling it to order or address. I just want you to give me authority. Let me be sacking any of them.
It hasn't gotten to that. This is first time that I'm misbehaving. So let us call them to order, address it accordingly. Then they'll begin to behave well.
Ma, it's because I've not told you.
Go back to your work. You have told me, I will address it.
Ma, what about if I just sack one person?
Why will you sack them? You just made a complaint. There's no need for that.
Even suspension, it has been long they started though.
Don't sack anybody, you didn't give them work. You know, follow. I will be the one to see whether it's due for them to be sacked or what they have done, whether it needs to be addressed.
Ijoma plus Jumbo School.
Adora.
Birds of the same feathers flocks together. A bird of the same feathers flocks together. John Bosco and the John Man. Yeah, whoa, lo, lo, lo. Birds of the same feathers flocks together.
I don't know what to do. I'm so confused.
My friend and my king, please do not be confused at all. And I wouldn't want you to allow your subjects to know you are confused. Let fate handle this matter. Please.
Am I supposed to fold my hands and wait for fate to come solve the problem for me?
Remember, it is not your fault. It is not your fault at all. The universe made it so. Yes, and they have their reasons. See, the gods chose you to be our king. Even the people were fully in support of you being our king. Ever since you ascended this throne, you have brought this dead community into limelight. And that is the most important thing, my king.
I know, but I keep thinking of what will happen.
My king, it's never too late for something to happen. Yes, I know. So I wouldn't want you to blame it on the gods. You have always been a good man. And want to urge you to continue to be a good man. Do not allow anyone tell you how to rule your kingdom. Yes.
I know. But
Please, my king. There's nothing like but. Have you forgotten how they begged, crawling for you to be the king and you refused? Yes. Huh? Ever since you ascended this throne as the king, this dead community have seen light. The wise ones saw the good in you, and that is why they chose you to be our king. Just relax and stop bothering yourself. Please.
But at the end of the day, the time is running out.
Well, my king, till then. Huh? Let's wait till then. I know something must happen. Were you the one that drove past me just a few minutes ago?
You saw me?
That speed was much. The speed was much, Chief.
No, it wasn't much. I was rushing to go and meet a friend, and I needed to come over to see you. It's not a problem.
You never considered the pedestrian if you hit someone down or something.
That will happen.
Anyway, that's by the way. You're welcome. Come in, let me offer you something.
Oh, no. No. Don't mind. How is your family?
Well, we are fine, and yours?
My family is always okay. My first son is in UK. I hope he's coming back next week. And, my first daughter is here in America with her family. My second son is also leaving to UK very soon. The other two daughters are preparing to leave to Canada.
That's by the way. Hence they are fine. The important thing is that it's life. Isn't it?
That's it.
So, what do I owe this August visit?
Oh no, it is about the kingship of this community.
So what about it?
No. The present king doesn't have a male child. And his daughter is crippled. And as a girl, she needed to have a husband that can take over the kingship. Aside that,
Well, Chief, I'm sorry to cut you in. We all know the custom and tradition of our land. You also know the situation of the royal home. So, what about it?
oh no. Let me first of all commend you, your job. Your great work in this community. In fact, your effort in development of this community is great. This cooler is for you.
Ah, this is huge. It has weight. Thank you so much. So, go straight to the point. What exactly do you want me to do for you?
Oh no.
What do I owe this visit?
Anyway, no. Let me go straight to the point. I want the kingship to come to me. I want you to crown me as the king.
But the king is not dead yet. Neither is his daughter. They are both alive, so why this?
I understand, oh no. But are they not useless? Eh? There's no male child, the daughter is crippled. Which male child would like to marry somebody who is crippled? Is it not better you just crown me?
Well, Chief DK, they were given time until the time elapses. Please, let us wait for that time.
No, I think it is important to facilitate the time. Why not, oh no, have this. Just wind the time up. Let's see if this will do.
Wait, Chief. You actually came to bribe me? So this is what...
No, don't say that. That would mean an insult to your personality.
So, what is this meant for?
Oh no, try to understand.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand.
Just hand it.
Chief.
Azoka, my friend. Azoka, my friend.
Chief.
How are you doing?
Chief, you are calling me your friend. Chief, look at you. And look at the way I'm looking at you. You are calling me your friend.
Azoka, don't talk about that. That's not important. I will take care of everything. In fact, I'm going to your house. I wanted to see you. But here I'm here with you.
I hope all is well, Chief.
Azoka, everything is well. Everything is well. I have an eye on the throne. In fact, I want the throne.
Chief, that will not be possible. You know, King Ugonabu is still alive and he has a daughter.
That is correct. He has a daughter, the crippled one. Who will want to marry her? Please, you need to advise Ugonabu to step down, let a complete person take over the throne.
What are you saying, King?
I'm coming.
Hey!
Ichi Azoka.
Chief, what is this?
This is raw cash. Cool money. Have it.
Chief, are you bribing me?
Oh, Ichi Azoka, my friend. How can I bribe you? I like appreciating good work. And you have done a lot for this community. I'm just appreciating you.
Chief, I like this type of appreciation though. Igwe!
I like the sound of that. You just tripped me.
Hey! Enukwa.
Just for that, take more of it. Take more of it.
Azokwa.
Azoka, Chief, in fact, more is coming your way. More is coming your way. Just give me support. I'm going to buy you a car. That's all. I'm going to buy you a car. A good one.
Is it this type?
Don't worry, I'll buy you a good car. Don't worry.
Chief, If you know, in this type of business, I am number one as far as cash is involved. Don't worry, you have my support. You have my support. You have my support.
Azoka, that is why I'm looking for you. I know you will give me support. And you will help me win others. In fact, you are the number one in my cabinet. If I have that throne, you are going to be the Onowu.
Igwe! You are there already. You are there already.
Don't kill me. It's all right, Azoka. I will be going. Just do your work. Leave my own. I will be going.
Please drive safely. You know you are very important to us here in this kingdom.
Honestly, I don't even know what to do. I'm confused.
You cannot be confused. I don't even understand your own fear because this is money they send to your account. So why should you be scared? You don't need to be scared. Trust me. This thing is manners from above. Somebody sends you money. You did not beg the person. You just see money for your account. Chop it. Chop it with your full heart.
Haven't you been understanding what I've been saying here? That a stranger sent a huge amount of money to my account.
Thank God it's even huge amount, Abby. Huge amount. Very good. That would just huge like that. Chop with your full chest. This is manna from above.
It is not any manna.
It's manna. Some people used to wake up in the morning and say, God, please send your manners. What God cannot do does not exist. It's a miracle.
Don't bring God into this because you're trying to steal someone else's money.
It's not somebody. If it's their money, why didn't they put it in their own account? If I'm the one, I will chop it too. Even before you come here and say, hey, it's a mistake. I will not chop and finish. I want that supermarket run the money.
Angel, you're better than this, please. Just stop. I just need to look for a way to
send it back.
Yes, exactly.
Send it back to who?
I don't know.
You don't know. That's the go chop am. It's now your own. The person never even call you say, oh, a mistake. Go chop am. Okay, fine. If you don't want chop am, give me the money. I will help you chop am.
You're not serious. Please. I can see you have nothing else to help me out with. Okay?
It's like teamwork. I can help you. Give me the money. I will chop it. And I will tell you how I chop it.
Thank you. You've helped enough, okay? Please. I heard we have a new security guard.
Yes, sir. That one na better. Jack of all trade. They do carpenter, they do mechanic, they do furniture, they do agent, they do
how do you know? Now.
No, that the best that I recommended him tell me now. He said if we want him to climb tree and pluck star, we'll do it.
Okay. Newscaster, thank you.
The money come.
Which money?
Okay, I will see.
Oh yeah. Time to leave, okay? I need to go to bed.
Ijama plus Jumbosco. Yeah, well, beds on same feathers. Flocks together. A bed on same feathers. Flocks together. Jumbosco. Ijama. Yeah, well, beds on same feathers. Flocks together. Child, a lot is happening in the palace.
Yes,
but the question is this.
No, this type where they take me as now, nothing come out. That type where they dance before, now it makes sense fast. This is where they do it now. Nothing they there.
I don't understand. If I all dance, I know they dance before. All these things why they shake body, and you not sit down sweating. What's the meaning of that nonsense? And nothing come out. What thing they always bring all this insults?
I know insult you. I say that style way they do before. Now it makes sense, but because this one way done they shake now. Nothing really did there. So I just.
What do you mean by nothing really did there? Like what's the insult all about? I don't understand you. Why What do you mean by nothing really there? Me we carry and the shaker. I don't know say such there or such no there.
Na me they see am. Na me where if you know na me where they see say nothing they back where they shake. Like the thing that they try. Not this one.
Try to take your time. I beg. I don't want vex. I don't like vex.
Short people and anger issues now.
You come. Tell people and sense not like this. Tell people if I'm fair and tell people and eyesight, they always get eye problem.
So I be no now waiting the try talk.
Yes. Try to mind your mouth. I know they like am. I'm not supposed to dance for any gate man for this like for my level like this. But I stoop low the dance. They give you entertain you.
Come, no go there. Another one go build quarrel. You see this one where you just talk. No put your mouth call me gate man. No. What have been a chief sec for here?
Who does chief sec?
I they tell you, no talk that thing again. Which can get man?
Who employ you first?
Now
Even me carry you come.
And now you carry me come.
Don't open mouth to talk to me. Chief sec. I give you chief sec when you enter here. Now chief sec I give you when you enter here.
But I tell you say na chief sec I be when you say gate man. So why you can't talk? I beg that one don't go. Waiting they fire. They hungry for you. You go just a verse. Me and you just a happy like this. I just say no they shake am o. Cause normally nothing. You begin the para.
No, why you go talk that thing now? For peaceful dance where we dey enjoy like this now. Everybody dey entertain that. You don't dey talk insult. They carry insult. They enter matter.
Oh yeah, find me something man chop.
Let me get to cook today. Not my tongue. Na Naza tongue.
Which one be Naza tongue?
Nah, Naza go cook. I don't want to enter that kitchen now. Cause I dey plan something. I want show and pepper small.
You want show and pepper? What you do?
All these people don't say they play with me. They don't know me. They don't want me. Caesar Queen give me chief maid. All these people, they just intimidate me. They look me less. I go show them now. They don't know my village. They just look me. They after me. They know they check the engine.
I bet which kind of engine where you carry? Na Vespa engine. I been a Volkswagen B2.
The question, what's in come with the question?
No, you say you get engine. I just want to know. Every question not be insult. Oh.
Now you they know, you know what you they do. You know what you they do. And one day, I go use my hand to for your eyes. All this nonsense was already asked me. Person go they play with you, go use style they ask insultive question. You go use style they throw in question insult.
You know they insult me.
I
know senior, you know they insult me.
Why I not go insult you?
You see am?
Person wey no get sense.
You see, don't say I don't get sense. You still call me Abino Joy. Go find food, give me. Don't be you be chief security. I don't want to say anybody will be in town. Find food, give me, make I chop.
Music, may I dance something. You talk rubbish. Play song for me, I beg.
Oh, you still want that?
Jumbo plus jumbo school.
I don't want
yeah, well, beds on the same feathers, flocks together. I bed on the same feathers, flocks together. Jumbo school and the jumbo. Yeah, well, beds on the same feathers, flocks together. Child, a lot is happening in the palace. But the question is this: wetin be the solution? Who can solve this problem? Can't carry it on. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wahala. Her double wahala, no day end anytime. Ibulun Sobobia, okay, you're working so good. I'm not time, anything where you want to. Ijoma is ready for you. If you want to trouble, now she be trouble herself. Ijoma, the chief medi, she never fear at all. Anything where you want to.
I don't understand the part you're doing. Just get out so I can eat in peace now. What is it?
Sorry, ma.
Majesty.
What is this nonsense you served me?
No, Your Majesty, it's your favorite.
Oh, my favorite?
It's Your Majesty.
I make it your favorite now. Eat it.
Ma?
Is it easy to share favoritism with the queen? Eat. It's my favorite. I made it your favorite. Eat. Is it not your favorite again?
I'm sorry, my queen.
So, what happened?
It was a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my queen.
Oh, your mistake is what I should have eaten as my favorite.
Sorry.
Ijoma has been saying it. And I have not been paying attention to this. That all you girls are useless in this palace. Ijoma! Ijoma!
Your Majesty, ma.
Take this fool. This useless idiot that wasted my food items. Take her to the back of the house and discipline her properly.
Majesty, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. It was a mistake. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Get out of my sight!
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Let's go. Oh, you beat me now. Let's go. You heard what she said. I should discipline you.
Properly! Hey! Oh, wow.
She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wala. She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Medi, Double Wala. She's the one and only
Madam Caller.
Chief Medi, Double Wala. And Double Wala. No day and anytime. People in Sobobia. Okay.
Hello? Yes, and please, who is this and how do you know my name? Oh, I'm so sorry. Of course I will. I've honestly been waiting for whoever that sent it to reach out because I haven't had time to go to the bank to check. So I'm so sorry. Please kindly send your details and I'll just do that now. No. It's fine. It's nothing. Okay. I can't take what is mine, obviously. So please just send your details and I'll send it back to you. I'm so sorry. Can you just stop thanking me? It's nothing. Okay, it's fine, thank you. You'll receive the alert in a few minutes, okay? Oh, okay. Good night, Frederick. Bye.
Yeah. Hold your ears. And sit on the air.
Fast!
Fast! I don't want too much talk. If you look at my face, you will not see any smile. That is because I'm not happy.
I was sure of what I prepared. I was very, very sure.
You were sure of what you prepared. That means I'm lying. Or maybe we are living with ghosts inside this palace. Right? We are sure of what you prepared. You'll be cooking present for your husband. And help me and be sitting on the air fast.
Sorry.
Hold your ears and sit on the air.
Hi.
Is that how you sit?
It's painful.
Is that how you sit?
Ouch!
Ouch! Sit on the air.
This thing is painful.
Let's not be touching this thing. Pick this thing. Pick it fast.
Joma Biko, I'm sorry, it will not happen again.
Pick pin. Pick that pin. Pick pin. I don't like picking my. Pick pin.
Pick it.
Pick it.
Pick it. I'm picking it. I'm picking it.
Are you picking it?
Yes, I'm picking it.
Are you picking it?
I'm picking it. I'm picking it. Oh.
Hey! I'm sorry. You go.
I'm
sorry.
I'm
sorry.
Pick that thing.
I'm picking. It's painful
I
now.
said you pick.
I'm picking it though. Because I'm sorry, I will not do it again now. Please now.
Where's it?
This thing is painful now. Because
I
will pick it. I will pick it.
I play with you. Pick.
I'm picking it.
Pick it. Is that your tower bang down?
Hey.
Like this now, do you think you are ready for marriage? Do you think you will ever marry like this? No man can see your face.
Because now, this thing is
painful.
Oh, my leg.
Yeah. Do like this. Up and down, fast. You will pay me for this exercise while you coach. Oh yeah, up and down.
How did you say it?
Up and down. You reach here that my cane is. Reach here that my cane is. Good. Yeah, up.
I can't even go up.
Down again. Up. Down. Good. Up. Are you sweating?
No.
Why are you sweating? Why are you sweating? No, so that you look like I'm suffering you. Why are you sweating now? Why are you sweating?
I don't know, it's
Clean
not my fault.
Clean that thing, I don't want to see it. Clean it.
It's not my fault now.
Clean that sweat.
I'm cleaning it.
Clean it and start again. Clean it fast and start again.
Again?
Yes, all over. I don't want to see any sweat on your face. Fast.
Hey. Where am I starting from?
From this one. Sit on the end.
Ijoma, Biko now. Ijoma, I will do it.
I'm not playing with you.
It.
Sit on the head. Yeah, pick.
Chinaza, it's okay. Stop crying, man. Sorry. It's okay.
Just look at me. My legs are shaking. My hands.
I'm so sorry.
Do you think it's easy to sit in the air?
So sorry. Stop crying.
That girl suffered me.
Try.
That little devil showed me no mercy at all. I swear to God, I will damage her life in this palace. I will lay a curse on her by 12 midnight. If she doesn't run mad before the end of this month, then my name is not Chinaza.
That girl is something else. God forbid.
I mean, all my emotions are failing me. My laughs.
You'll be fine.
My laughs are failing me.
Let me see.
Don't touch her.
Sorry
Don't
now.
touch her.
Sorry. Don't touch her.
Don't touch
You'll
her.
be fine. Okay.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah, good morning.
My queen, are you okay? Saw your face there like this. What happened?
I'm fine. It's just some lady that spoke to me quite rudely on the phone.
Is she mad? Where is she? Where should they stay like? What does she think she is? Who does she think she is?
IJ, calm down.
No. I need to tell her that it's not everybody she is sort of.
Can you calm down, okay? And keep your voice down.
I'm calming down, ma. Where is she? Where is her house?
I said calm down.
Okay.
Are you calm?
Yes, I'm calm.
Yes. I wouldn't want this matter to exceed this room. Please calm down.
You don't want matter to exceed this room. Sure, this English you are speaking. I don't know bigger than this battle. This is a big battle. We don't need big English. Please, how do we go forward? How do we catch this mugu that insulted you? Let us start it.
Ijoma, calm down, okay? Please. I meant I don't want anyone else to know about this. Please.
No problem. As you wish.
Exactly.
But me, I don't like the way you are angry. It's vexing me that you are vexing.
I'm not angry. Okay? I'm just worked up. I've been trying to send this money, but my bank app is messing up. Look, can you help me go to any POS around, okay? I'll give you my card and I'll send you the details so you can transfer.
Right? No problem. But what of the person that insulted you?
Let it go.
Just like that?
Yes.
The the way you sound matter. Hey, God, I beg you.
Aisha, can you choose peace for once in your life? Just choose peace, okay? Can I give you the card now? Good.
Oh no. You should not tell us that. You should not tell me this. I will not take it. Oh no, can you once in your life say the truth? Can you? Oh no. That man, our king, cannot continue being our king. No, he cannot. And you know it. Stop telling me that he is our king. No, he cannot continue being our king.
Chazuka, it's enough. It's enough. What exactly are you talking about? So you are planning to dethrone a king that the gods chose by themselves? Is that what you are planning to do?
Oh no. Don't try to play smart. Oh no, we understand everything that is happening in this kingdom. You do. Our king have no son. His only child is crippled and no suitors coming. Let me ask you, oh no, if it's you, will you marry a crippled daughter?
Chifazuka, please, enough. I believe the only thing that is constant is change. Yes, I believe change will take place. Change must take its course. Moreover, I would advise you people relax. We give him more time. Anything can happen.
Oh no. Why are you stubborn? Every other elders, we have one mind. It's only that is different, oh no.
Oh, sure, I should be different. Yes, I should be different because I'm not others. I am the Ono. It's me. I am myself. I'm not you. You are you. I am myself.
Uncle. Come. I want to check something. You want to check it? Nice.
Come, Jumbo.
My son.
What did you just do now?
What do you mean? You no get eye?
Come. I carry God to beg you. If you no see no me mamba land for your head, so return my food back.
Make I return your food.
Return my food back the way you take come out.
As you carry return from America. American return, American soldier. American soldier, they tie wrapper for palace. Eh? Make I return your food.
Now beg you. Return my food back. Be like say this your craze don't start again.
No, I go return am inside palace. Make I just tell you wetin dey happen. You see as I dey collect this food, that's how I go dey collect anything wey belong to you until my money complete. You dupe everybody. Okay, because say na only me, I go tell everybody wey contribute money, wey you lie say you dey travel, say na here you dey. Make everybody carry fight come here. No, you get sense na abi.
Jumbo na blackmail be this.
No, na whitemail.
You dey blackmail me o.
Na whitemail. See your meat, I want chop am. Yeah.
So Jumbo true, you carry my food dey chop. You no get pity for mine. They carry my food dey chop.
When you collect our money, lie say you dey go America. Therefore, American soldier. American soldier. They mad. No give me that money.
No wahala. So make I carry this one.
Do this one, man.
Jumbo, you. Now me they do this thing.
Igwe.
Ijama plus Jumbosco.
My angel, you need to start coming out more often. Especially since you started writing this your book. You locked yourself in here all by yourself.
Mom, honestly, I'm fine. I'm fine, and besides, I wouldn't want to stress anyone to push me wherever I want to go to.
But you don't need to do that. You can do that all by yourself. You have been doing it. How can you wake up in the morning, go to the bathroom, shower, adorn yourself with all these beautiful things, make up your face, wear your beautiful clothing, and you're locked in here? locking this beauty inside the room. Why don't you come out so that you can receive fresh air, people can see you and appreciate your beauty?
Mommy, like I said before, I am fine. And you know already I love looking beautiful. I mean, when I stand in the mirror, I look at myself, my hair is done, my makeup is done. I'm fine and happy, and this is my safe space. I'm fine. Going out is just so weird because people stare at me like I'm hopeless. I am not hopeless, and I hate pity.
What if us going for shopping? It's long we've gone out together. Mother and daughter relationship, I've missed it so much. Let us go shopping together. Let us share moments together. Beautiful moment, loving moment.
That's a good idea, but I don't know, not now because I still need to, you know, concentrate and get inspiration for my poem and, you know.
Maybe by going out you can still get more inspiration. I'm so worried about you.
Mom, my mother, my queen, love of my life. God, I love you so much. Can you stop worrying? I don't like the way you just get so worked up about me. I want you to be happy for me. I want you to stay healthy and happy. Please.
That's not nice. Why won't I worry about you? You're my only child. That's not nice. You're in this house yet I miss you so much. I miss you like I've not seen you in ages. Why? Come, let's interact together. Let's run things together. Let's do things together. I'm not happy you're in here all by yourself. You know, the idle mind is a devil's workshop. When you talk to me, you write, you tell me the experiences of your writings, how you're feeling about your book writing and everything. I'll feel better.
Okay, do you want to see my new poem? It's called The Winner Takes It All.
Yes, so I'm back. Hey.
My darling husband. Welcome, my darling husband.
Oh, point of correction. His Royal Majesty to be.
Please forgive me, His Royal Majesty. Oh my goodness, I love the sound of that. So very soon, I will be the queen.
You are my queen already.
So, how did he go?
Oh, my queen. Money talks, bullshit walk. Money can do anything, just have money.
I told you. I told you that those hungry elders will do anything for money.
Not all. Uno was adamant. Although Ozonna assured me of his cooperation by the time he finished talking to him.
Good. Your Majesty, you see that Uno? For his stubbornness and foolishness, for even being adamant at all, once you take that seat as king, I want you to remove him from his position.
You need to tell me that. He's gone already.
Oh, let Ugonna and his crippled family go and rest. We are taking over.
He doesn't have a chance with me. He has only 2 months plus. And he's out of there.
2 months. Wait, 2 months. 2 months that is already over. Almost finished. Okay. Let's say Jesus comes down now. What miracle can happen? Eh? Who will marry a crippled girl? Even if a suitor comes, can she even get pregnant and give birth?
Who will marry a crippled girl?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
Forget about that.
Let them go and rest because it's our time. Your Royal Majesty.
My queen.
My queen.
Please, I'm very hungry.
almost forgot. I'm coming.
Hey, it's okay.
You can't shake the watch so that girl. At least I play now. I just say me I might release my small anger when they inside me. Might push it out on her.
Yeah? You don't worry you.
I go lie for you. I tell you say me, I get level. I get level for this place. There are level to this shit there. There are level to this shit.
Take and play first. Iron woman.
I sure am pepper. I just use this opportunity, pour out all the anger, all the things, all the pain when they inside me. I pour on.
As it dey you for body.
As it dey my body.
Put am for her body. Let she feel her.
Hey.
She say na.
I be one, you know. I beat am well.
You know say you get one lady when they check me for this palace.
You like this?
Yes.
Jesus. Who is that?
Dorothy.
Jesus!
No dey shout. No dey shout.
Dorothy! Jesus! Dorothy!
They shout too. What did they do you now?
Jesus, this guy don't get class. So Dorothy, they get smart like you.
Which kind of song is that? Which kind?
What's that? Wait, why you intimidating a chief mate?
A chief sec and they are making it smart. Make it get work. Waiting bring that level. Which time they say, no, they like her.
It's not because me and you are playing, you not be fighting me like that.
Come on for here. Who you be?
Don't do that.
Who you be?
Don't do that.
That one concern.
Don't do that. The chief mate.
She say that we be cockroach for her cupboard.
Hey, God, I beg you.
She say without me, she no go fit sleep. Say she go dey wake up for 1 p.m. 1 a.m. every morning. Say she no go even sleep. Once she remember me, she go wake up.
Jesus, no be smart, you know. Now you start going solve and I run something for this.
Why they look my shoe?
You don't know what they look at. As they look at you, don't know what they look at.
I dey tell you for Dorothy, they look my shoe. Wetin concern my shoe?
But when you leave that one first, I want to do my own business. As you don't tell me this thing like this now, I want to use 2 of them and run something.
You want use us run something? Okay.
And I go pay you back. The pay what I go pay you na food. I will give you enough food.
Wetin you want use us run when you want say?
No worry. When that time reach, you go know. You agree?
If you say food go dey, plenty food go dey.
Yeah, agree.
We go.
I want you solve and run something. So make she come. You open your heart. Make she fall inside your heart.
Because after I say I go think about it. So make her accept.
Open your heart for her. Just dey free. I want you solve and run something.
I go do as you talk.
Hey! You dey know. See, I'm going to run something with Dorothy. No worry, I got you. I go relax now, bring your food.
Okay,
I will give you better food. You go agree for what I want to tell you.
No, go.
You go agree, oh.
So when you get
But yeah, like that.
Flocks together, John Bosco and the John Man. Yeah, whoa, best of the same feathers. Flocks together.
Unknown caller.
A lot is happening in the palace.
Haven't you seen your money? Look, don't tell me to calm down. Do not. You sent her to call and shout and insult me. Did you guys actually think I wanted to eat your money? God, my bank app was having a huge problem, so I had to wait for my friend to come and help me do the transfer. Nothing else. I'm not, but please, kindly tell her to be nicer next time in case something else happens, okay? Typical man. How do you know I'm pretty? Have you seen me before? I am not smiling. Can you just stop it already? Stop it. Look, I am not nice, neither am I pretty, so please leave me alone. Mr. Frederick, please leave me alone. Have a nice day, okay? Thank you.
Where? What a beautiful day. When last did we enjoy in the palace?
My brother, I can't even remember. I can't remember. And one stupid man from nowhere and say, he's not going to be our king.
See, you have already crowned him king.
Yes, so he's our king.
But
he's our king.
Wait a minute. What about Onowo's matter?
Now I want to spoil this food now. You want to spoil this our good time. Who is Onowu? Do we have Onowu in this kingdom? Anyway, let me answer you that question. Onowu knows our customs and tradition of this great kingdom. He's not a naive. He's not a novice. He's not a novice. Oh my hand on Oboda.
Look, man. Let me see who Onowu will protect, the people or the king.
No, don't mind that man. Make a go. But if you tell him not to take this kingship now, he will not say no. He will just jump it, bam, and accept it. That man, I know him.
Let him come and swear that if this offer is being made open to him, he will not jump into
Don't mind that man. Nah. Hey, nah. You need daughter.
I hope you are serving yourself well. Mary. You see, my time as the king is going to be a time of merriment. Enjoyment all the time. Meanwhile, Ichie Okafor. And this is for you. Uzonna said he will not be coming. Hand over this one to him.
Give it to him. Give it to him.
Why are you crazy? Focus on your own.
I don't understand you.
Don't look here.
Like me. Now this people do lose God. God, now you. Princess, give this girl clothes. Princess, carry phone. Give me some. Go snap my enemy. Ma snap my enemy. That's why you want to insult me.
No, Princess herself don't try. She don't try.
Jesus.
Why she go carry clothes give it for ma?
Jesus.
Why she go do that kind of thing?
Hey.
Even say she won't do that kind of thing. At least she go carry and give Dorati. Make it for the okay for I.
Okay, forgive Dorati. So what you bring Dorati for this our talk?
No, I just tell you based on say na Dorati she for.
Now so Dorati madness don't they do you now? Person go dey talk important thing. You don't already carry Dorati because Dorati dey your brain.
No, I just feel say that one for no verse if na Dorati. No verse.
Yeah.
Nothing to the verse.
Forbid.